afternoon.
Nice. Okay, hello everyone. So we're excited to be back. So this is our second Cooking for Wellness series. So today we're talking fruits and vegetables. So my name is Clara and
I'm Caitlin.
And we are two registered dietitians who work for a local private practice called Rebecca Bitzer and Associates. We actually have 3 office locations. One of them is in Annapolis, and we also have a location in Columbia and Greenbelt as well. For those of you who don't know us. So today, let's just get started, I guess.
Yeah, let's do it.
So we're going to be making 3 delicious things today. We're just going to start with baked zucchini hash browns, which are going to be really, really good. And then we're also going to make these fruit pops that are going to be really high in fiber. So the theme of today are fruits and vegetables. We're going to be talking fiber. The great thing about these is they're cold, especially right now when it's really, really hot outside. So they're great if you're feeling a little bit dehydrated, or you're feeling like you might need a little bit of fiber, or maybe you're feeling a little bit nauseous, you want a little bit something. So they'll be good for that. And then we're also going to make this fiber fruit spread, which sounds kind of weird, but it's actually really, really good, and it's great for spreading on bread, putting in yogurt, oatmeal, whatever it is. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with the hash browns. So all I did was I took 1 zucchini. Zucchini's in season right now. This is a big zucchini. Usually they're much smaller than this. So I grated 1 very large zucchini, but if you have 2 smaller ones, you can do that as well. So that's what I did. I grated that and about half of an onion, and I salted it. So what that is doing is it is pulling out all the water. So hopefully you'll be able to see a little bit of it. Yeah, you can. You see it's like pulling out that water. So that's going to be the trick to getting a crispy hash brown. The other trick, since we're not frying them, we're baking them today, what I have right now preheating is a oven at 400 degrees, and I stuck the cookie sheet in the oven so that when we put the batter onto the cookie sheet, it's going to have a nice hot surface to start crunching up. So I'm actually going to go wring this out. So all I'm going to do is do this and wring out all this water. So this is when I make similar things to this. This is when I get all my male friends to help me because they have stronger hands than I do. But that's what you want. You want to try and get as much of the water out as possible. And you can see quite a bit of it is coming out. And all I did was I just seasoned it with a little bit of salt. So I'm going to keep doing this.
So why do we use zucchini instead of potatoes for a hash brown?
You know, there's nothing wrong with potatoes. Potatoes are great, but they are a starchy vegetable. So if you are trying to increase some of your non-starchy vegetable consumption, making small changes like using a zucchini instead of a potato, or using cauliflower instead of a potato, is a great way to get in some of those extra non-starchy vegetables, get in the different colors. You know, that's kind of the name of the game. So there are these things called phytonutrients. So they are nutrients that are found in your fruits and vegetables. And each of them have a different role in the body. You know, everything from being anti-inflammatory to anti-proliferation to antioxidants. You know, all of those different things. And the best way to kind of get a large variety of them is by eating different colors of the fruits and vegetables. So going for maybe a red apple and then, you know, a green pepper, or